Well, here it is, brand new, newly installed standing seam metal roof out here in Vernia, Texas. This homeowner called us out about 2 months ago. Today is July 2026, so they called us out around May, June. This roof was originally an asphalt architectural roof. It was at its end of its life. This roof approximately took 4 days to complete. We came in Saturday, removed the old shingle roof. We prepped it, and then starting Monday, Tuesday of the following week, we started installing the metal roof. They decided to go with the patrician bronze color, as you can see, and I think it complements the house really well. This is a 1-inch seam. It has a pencil rib or a double rib profile, as you can see, which reduces the appearance of oil canning. We have the gentleman installing a gutter system as we speak. So they're doing a partial gutter install here in the back where the doggy park is at. What we ended up doing there on the chimney was removing the bottom siding laps of the chimney to properly waterproof and install the flashing behind the siding. So we ended up breaking off the siding to properly install the metal roof behind it. We installed new siding, and as you can see, it's freshly painted. We actually ended up matching the paint to the chimney to the roof color in an oil base so it can last a very long time. There's the finished product. The other thing this homeowner elected to go with was a solar attic fan, and as you can see, it's right up there. How these solar fans work, it's obviously solar. As soon as the sun comes up, it gets activated. This one is rated for approximately 2,700 square feet of attic space. So as soon as that sun comes up, that fan turns on and starts working, depending on when the sun rises. The other thing we did, we'll go out front. The solar fan is right up there. Over the garage, we installed a ventilated system known as ridge venting, which you really can't see it from here, but it's the bottom portions are perforated. So when that heat rises, let's say like at night, the fan isn't on, but the roof can still be ventilated. As heat rises, it escapes through the ridge vent, giving the house proper attic ventilation, whether the sun is up and the solar fan is working or not. So the guys are going to finish up the gutter system that we're currently installing. Hey, if you're in San Antonio, you're in the Vernia area, and you're looking to install a metal roof, my name is Rocky. Jesus is the cameraman. Hello. Beautiful face right over there. Hey, if you're needing a metal roof, my name is Rocky. I want to see if I can help you out. Click or call roxroofing.com.